Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's 9/11 and we have a USDA report today at 11 o'clock. So we'll be coming out with a recap video about the numbers. I guess in general the market's trading three things. Number one is the report and how big does the USDA increase the crop from their August numbers. I think everybody assumes, given some of the yield forecasts and numbers that we're hearing from harvested acres, that the crop will get bigger as we go along than what the government says today. So we'll see how the market wants to react to that. Technically speaking, we're making new lows overnight, just down a couple of 2 or 3 cents. The question is, how low is low, especially in the bean market, where some people think we need to go a lot lower to show the big world supply. And then also in the corn market, we've got most of the weak longs out of the market, but funds are still net long corn, and we'll have to see if they want to get out of those positions after this report. Also, we'll be looking at the weather situation. It's certainly cool in Chicago this morning, and it's going to get colder for the weekend, but for most of the Midwest, we're not going to be at temperatures that could hurt the crop. And then the 6 to 10 day outlook calls for normal to maybe even above normal temps and normal to below rainfall. So this should be good for maturation of the crop, and also should be good for the harvest as it moves along. The third thing is demand, and there's a lot of different definitions of that. But number one, when will demand try to buy a bottom here? Technically, where does people get out of shorts, and where does people start picking bottoms? Where do the Chinese come in price? Where does the end user come in price? So that price seems to be a little bit further away. Historically, Dees corn makes its lows in November. In years if beans are bearish, they make their lows next March. So we'll have to kind of watch and see if history repeats itself. Again, 11 o'clock is the report. We'll be back then with the results. And these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. And have a safe and profitable trading day.